far we have the lounge kind of sorted out a bit. So we've got the sofa, still working on how this space is gonna look, and we've got the TV stand right there, and then we've got this couch, and I'm not really sure what we're going to do with this one, but yeah. So far that's how the space is looking, and this is the view from the side. I also kind of wanted to get something to clean these windows from the outside, but I don't know how, but I'll try to do some research and see if I can. So far, yeah, this is how this side looks like, and then we've got a few things over there. There's just a lot going on at the moment, so gotta unpack everything and get settled in. No ironing it. This is my spray bottle for the dress. Guys, yeah. So I'm about to head out. So today is day 3 of the move. It is a Friday today. So I'm actually tired of the cleaning, the unpacking, and packing things where they belong. So I decided to get this day as a rest day and basically get myself some retail therapy. So you guessed that, we're going to the mall and we're going to get a few things that I want to get for the house. Nothing major, but just a little small items. Just, you know, we can make this space a little more lively. I've actually been so stressed lately, and you know, the stress is even making me develop so much acne on my face. My day is like, it's a lot, but for now let us head out. Place 1 done, going to the next place. Recently got a couple of things from Shein, and particularly I wanted some accessories for my iPad, because the one cover I've had since my iPad unboxing, I actually started not liking it because it started to wear off, and it's been approximately 5 months since I had the cover. So I wanted to get something that I can use. And on another note, I actually damaged my Apple Pencil. I accidentally had it in water and it stopped working, so I can't really use my iPad without any particular accessory, whether it's an Apple Pencil or a keypad. So I decided to get a keypad from Shein. I will link it down below if you guys are interested. That's if you have an iPad. So I got this magnetic suspension keyboard case. So I actually saw so many reviews about it, and I wanted something that was going to enhance my digital life, like this box say. I wanted to get white because I kind of want to go into a very neutral zone in terms of like my aesthetics. So I got one in white. It comes with a USB-C cable, and it also comes with a user manual. What I really love about this keyboard case is that it's not just any ordinary keyboard. It's magnetic for sure, but it's backlit. One thing about me, I love lighting, I love ambience lighting, I love backlit lighting, I love any sort of lighting, and if the lighting comes with a variety of colors, I'm sold. You could basically have any color you want of your choice. So that's that. So moving on to item number 2, I also got another cover for my iPad. I wanted a cover where I wouldn't have to flip open or do any of that. I wanted a cover where I can actually protect my iPad even while it's holding it. So I got this transparent case at Shein as well. It has this cute cats, kittens, and I found it really cute, and I wanted something very clear so that I'm able to still hold my iPad in place. I just love the feature and the slim look that it brings on the iPad. So moving along, I got this white headband that I've seen trending on Instagram and TikTok, and actually I was like, I really want one, so I got one in white, and I love how it's just neutral and it can hold my hair in place. So this is how it probably looks, but I'm sure it looks a bit weird because I've got the outfit right now. So yeah, that's the item, another item I got from Shein. Lastly, I got 2 scarves. I got one in this gray color. So I wanted to start incorporating scarves into my hair styles and hair care routine. One in this beige color khaki. It's a light khaki. So yeah, I must say these scarves are pretty decent and I can't wait to try them on. But above all, that is it for my Shein haul. So I'm just gonna do a rundown on some of these things that I got and why I got them. So I will start with all the things I got from Pip. First, I'll start with this light box. It's a decorative signage light box, and you can actually put up to 8 letters in here. It needs batteries. So just to show you guys what it looks like inside, I'll need batteries, which I didn't know it does not have, unfortunately. So it looks like this, and then you get A to Z letters, and you can put approximately like 8, maximum is 8 letters here. I really got this because you guys know, of course, I'm a content creator, and I thought this is actually really cool, and it was only 69.99 Rand. So that was really a bargain. I got this spray paint because I actually wanted to spray paint my light lamp that I have. The rose gold color has worn out, so I wanted to actually try it out and spray paint, because I almost threw it out, but I was like, hey, be creative, you know, it still works perfectly fine. It just got really rusted and all that stuff. So I also got these from Pip. These are a hand soap dispenser, a glass just to hold my toothbrush, toothpaste, and all that stuff. I wasn't really sure on the type of aesthetic I was going for, but I like that they've got this ombre ambient light going on about, so I found that really cool. So we'll see how this look, but yeah, I'm happy with these. I also got a toilet bowl cleaner, just so we can have a fresh toilet, you know what I'm saying. Bath gloves at Pip, they were very affordable. So I got this 2-pack facial sponge cleaner 4-piece self-adhesive hook set. I want to hang these around the bathroom because this is not my place. I can't really puncture any holes in the wall. I also got this bamboo chopping block from Value Core. It was very affordable. It was $59.99, and I got a small one because we don't really have much counter space. So yeah, I got this one. I got this wild cotton diffuser from Mr. Price Home. I haven't really smelled it very well, but from the outside, the scent, I am very excited to kind of set it up and see what kind of smell it will bring inside the house. Also got this terrazzo toilet brush. It's pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie, because I feel like and I think this is actually real terrazzo. It's so heavy, it's really heavy, but I like that it is white and has accent colors like, you know, your black and your brownish, and it's really suitable for, you know, the tiles that I have and the vibe going on in the bathroom. I didn't want anything very dark or anything like that, so yeah, like it. Also got this steel wooden shower hanger rack thingy. Kind of like it, can't wait to set it up and put all my shower stuff. And also like that it had 2 hooks so that I can hang maybe like my other bath stuff. I don't know what, but yeah, we'll see. And then I got this rain scented candle. You guys, it actually smells really good, and I really wanted something green going on in the house. I already have a plant, but I didn't want it to just be gray, white and brown, so I really wanted something like with green. And I'm also glad it has a touch of gold because the tray that I got, the mirror tray I got, also has gold, and that's where I want to put this candle. And then lastly, I got this tray. I actually wanted it in black, but unfortunately the small version of the black was not there, so I got this gold. So I was like, okay, it's fine, we'll make it work. But I don't know if it'll go with what I'm thinking, my mood boards, my inspiration, but we'll see. So this is the last thing I actually got at Mr. Price Home as well. So yeah, that is it for my home shopping decor haul. It's time to actually set all of these things up.